Hi everyone, I'm Xin Zhang, a product director from the Hytera Corporation. It's my honor to be here to deliver this talk, namely integration of broadband PTT solution with PMR, the Chinese practice. As we all know, police is the manpower to keep our society safe and secure. They have relied on PMR networks for daily communications, commanding, and dispatching. For a long time, we have established lots of PMR technologies to serve the police. We have P25, Tetra, DMR, and Chinese PTT. But nowadays, the world faces new threats. For example, we see more and more protest activities, such as occupying the Wall Street, the conflicts in Hong Kong. Due to the climate changes, we see a clear rising in both the frequency and severity of natural disasters, such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods. In China, we have just suffered from the historical rainfall in Henan province, which took hundreds of human lives. Moreover, the well-known black swarm incident, COVID, affected almost everyone's daily life in the past 2 years. Through all these events, we may notice that although the police force is still the most important power against threats, only relying on them is insufficient. Let's take COVID as an example. As we all know, China did a great job in controlling the virus from spreading. The method is simple: quarantine and massive COVID testing. In this battle, our community power is regarded as the first line of defense for epidemic prevention and control. As this photo shows, our securities, social workers, and volunteers make a huge contribution to control the virus. Their hard work is a key factor that China achieves great success. From my above description, we can see that the community is crucial in dealing with emergency incidents today. Securities, social workers are closer to the location of the incidents than the police. Therefore, they can fast react to the incidents to build the first line of the defense. To gain the seamless cooperation between the police force and the community, we need to first address the issue of unified communication between these two groups. The intuitive way is that we can let the community use the police PMR network. But taking the limited capacity of PMR and the potential security risks into consideration, this solution should not be a proper one. On the other hand, the broadband PTT solution can be a great choice. We can utilize existing 3G, 4G, even 5G network to gain wide coverage and sufficient bandwidth to serve the community. The remaining issue is how to build up unified communication between the community's broadband PTT solution and the police PMR. Here, Hytera proposed our integrated solution. In this solution, the fundamental part is our integrated communication platform. First, this platform can be used to provide the broadband PTT solution under either public or private broadband networks. Second, this platform can be connected to PMR networks, providing unified narrowband and broadband communications. Third, third-party systems, such as surveillance systems, can be easily integrated with our platform to enrich the use cases in commanding and dispatching. Based on this platform, Hytera provides rich applications, such as map management, geographic information services. Last but not least, Hytera offers abundant types of devices. We have broadband POX terminals, body-wear cameras, and we also have multi-mode terminals which can work in both PMR and broadband networks. Our customers can choose their devices according to their requirements. With this solution, we achieve 3 kinds of integrations. The first kind of integration is network integration. The integrated solution can ensure seamless communication over PMR and broadband networks. Thus, these networks' advantages can be combined to provide a variety of services. For example, we can use LTE to provide multimedia services, while PMR to provide critical communications. The second kind of integration is application integration. Our integrated communication platform is based on the microservice architecture, which is highly efficient, secure, low cost at maintenance. Besides, this platform has abundant external interfaces. Therefore, third-party applications can be quickly developed by making use of the integrated communication, commanding, and dispatching capabilities. The third kind of integration is the terminal integration. Hytera provides a variety of terminals, PMR, multimode, POC, and body-wear cameras. With a combination of these terminals, we can support daily voice and video communications, multimedia data services, multimedia commanding and dispatching services, evidence gathering, etc. Especially using our multimode terminals, a user can ignore which network is connected, since in both PMR and broadband networks, the terminal can be reached with the same dial number. Hytera's integrated communication platform has been widely deployed in China to help build the connection between the community and the police force. Let's take Xiamen's case as an example. In Xiamen, two separated communication systems are built. The System C, which is also can be called as a system community, is set up in ISP's VPN network for the community to do daily communications. Another System P is set up in the police dedicated mobile network. This system can be regarded as an extension of the PMR network. This system can be used to provide multiple media services. And in case of PMR out of range, it can be used to help voice communications. When an emergency event occurs, the network edges will be open to connect all the systems together to provide secure, seamless communication, unified commanding and dispatching, and unified man management with locations. With this design, the community will not interfere with the police network in daily work, which ensures high security. In other words, the unified communication can be built on demand. Notably, our integrated solution is not only for public safety use, but can also be applied for first responders, transportation, mining, etc. Take first responders as an example. This solution has been used to deal with a unified commanding issue between the front line and the back office. In China, Hytera has helped deploy over 100 such platforms in different provinces and cities. China is also going to set up dedicated specifications of integrated communication solution between the Chinese PTT and the broadband PTT services. Besides, Hytera will soon release our MCPTT to Tetra integrated solution to serve our customers all over the world. As a conclusion, in this talk, we have emphasized the importance of our community to against new threats. We also propose our Hytera integrated solution to deal with the unified communication between these two groups. We also introduced the Chinese practice to help you to understand our solution. And thanks for watching. This is Hytera, aiming at making the world more efficient and safer.